Unlike before, when we thought the TIN, tax identification number, is actually required from only big business owners in Nigeria, but now everyone needs to have this TIN in order for them to be able to pay their tax and also perform other activities like bank opening and other things, especially when it comes to 2026. So guys, let's dive right into the video. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create your own tax identification number using just your phone, creating this online and getting your certificates. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here, the first step you need to take is to click on the link I'm going to leave on this video description, and this is going to direct you to this page. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on any of this. Now this is what you need to click on. Looking here, you can see register for non-individual, and also you can see register for individual. So if you want to register for non-individual, you can go ahead and click on the register for non-individual like this. So when you do that, looking here, you can see organization type. You need to go ahead and click on that and select your organization type. If your organization is under partnership, you can go ahead and select partnership. If it is a private limited company, you can go ahead and select private limited company. If it's a public limited company, you can go ahead and select public limited company. If you just want to input just the business name, then you can go ahead and click on business name like this. Then the next step you need to take is to go ahead and input your registration number. Now you can actually get your registration number from your CAC if you already have one for non-individuals. So you can get your registration number from there and just paste it right here. So once you paste it right here, then click on send and you'd be able to get your certificates. They're going to send you an email telling you that you submitted your form to get your TIN, and after a while they're going to send the certificate for you as well on your email as a picture, so you can go ahead and download it after it has been sent to you. But this is actually for non-individual. If you want to register your TIN as non-individual, now if you want to register it as an individual, you can go ahead and click on register for an individual. So right here you can see where it says BVN, you can see where it says BOD, which is date of birth, and also you can see where it says first name and last name. So after inputting your details like this, you just need to check if you are revoked on this box, then go ahead and click on the search button here. So when you do that, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on next. So right here you can see TIN request individual. So you need to go ahead and click on choose file and select the picture you want to be shown on your certificates. Then come right here as well and click on NIN and input your NIN right here. Click on select title. You can see that right here. If you have a title, you can go ahead and select the title you want to add to your certificates. Then go ahead and input your middle name, your last name, your gender, your state of origin, your place of birth, your marital status, your email address, your country, and select your state of residence, your local government, city, street, house number, occupation, nationality, your phone number 1 and phone number 2. Then click on submit. You can see submit at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on submit, an email is going to be sent to you telling you that you've been able to submit your TIN form. Now after waiting for a while, after they have actually confirmed your details, you're going to receive a second email telling you that your certificate is now ready, and you'll be able to see the certificate on that email, where you can actually click on it and download it as an image on your gallery, and you can actually download this or save it on your phone. Now on that certificate you'll be able to see your TIN number, so you can actually use it to do or fill in anything you want to use it for. So this is how simple it is to get your TIN, your tax identification number in Nigerian, which is actually compulsory for everyone now in Nigerian. Hope you found this video helpful. Now for more helpful tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and don't forget to like this video so that it can reach everyone and more audience. See you in the next one.